Guys, I've got some incredibly bullish news I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button. Guys, an article just came out titled, "Bitcoin Price Jumps as Fears That Price Inflation is Here to Stay." The rush to the so-called safe haven of cryptocurrency appears despite concerns that the Federal Reserve would taper its $120 billion a month asset purchasing program. In the article, it talks about how on average for the US dollar, there is 5% inflation each year. Guys, cryptocurrency is often referred to as a hedge against inflation because cryptocurrencies continue to go up in value every single year historically. Overall, the US dollar has literally depreciated a total of 99%. Because it's depreciating so much, and because everybody has some sort of stake in the US dollar, it may very well be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and the very best investment you could possibly make with your money to invest in crypto. Guys, people get into cryptocurrencies because they want financial freedom. Guys, people got rich on cryptocurrencies not because they got in on the uptrend, but because they got in before the masses. So you want to be sure to get in before this mass adoption that's currently occurring before our eyes. You may see these dips, and you may think, well, I'm not buying in because it's going down and it may never stop. Guys, it never goes straight down and it never goes straight up. With every dip, we always have a peak, and with every peak, we always have a dip. At these dips is when you want to get greedy. You want to buy in at each of these dips, when I call it out, about 10% each time so that you dollar cost average. And on average, you are making money in the long run on every single trade. So be sure to have some cash on the side to buy these dips. Guys, there's a reason that some of the top crypto experts out there, including myself, are expected just within 5-6 years from now, Bitcoin hitting $1 million, Ethereum hitting hundreds of thousands of dollars. Guys, the biggest whales out there are investing in cryptocurrencies. The biggest companies and countries out there are as well. So the more money that keeps pouring into cryptos, the higher the price goes. Guys, another article came out titled, "California Named Most Crypto-Ready U.S. State." Measures such as Google searches, Bitcoin ATM installations, and the number of crypto-focused bills were used to tabulate the crypto-ready index. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that and send that straight to your bank account or buy cryptos with it. When we check the Bitcoin Exchange's reserve on the charts, we see that the balance of Bitcoin is consistently being removed on the charts and being put into cold storage. And consistently, the more that increases, the higher the price of Bitcoin gets. Guys, the last time we saw this sort of supply shortage, we shot right up to $65,000 last year. And guys, the more that is being put into cold storage, the less Bitcoin that's going to be available on the exchanges. Inevitably, this will continue. The supply shortage will continue, and it will actually be hard to purchase Bitcoin eventually. The exchanges won't even be able to support it. This is the same for Ethereum. They burn so many coins that there's only so many left. And that's why we keep seeing the price continue to go up over time. And guys, this isn't stopping anytime soon. And because there's so many big whales taking their Bitcoin off the exchanges and putting it into these cold storages, that means that they're very bullish. And they know that the future of Bitcoin is incredibly bright. They are very confident, and so am I. And of course, as I've told you previously, when the price of Bitcoin goes up, when the price of Ethereum goes up, the rest of the cryptocurrency market follows up along with them. Guys, we're seeing a bullish flag form on the Bitcoin charts right now. Even though we had a big dip on Bitcoin and Dogecoin charts, we still went up from there, forming an ascending triangle. And guys, of course, after this ascending triangle forms, as you can see on the Dogecoin charts, right here, just after this, we generally get a bounce to the upside. Guys, we had this huge dip right here, which allows us to buy in. So you want to wait for my dips and buy in with some cash on the side, because guys, we're headed up right from there, and you want to be ready to sell when I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell as well. We are consistently seeing higher highs and higher lows form, which is also a very good sign. Guys, you want to get in on these infancy stages of crypto, when the prices are literally less than half of their actual worth. At these dips is the time to buy as much as you can, so that you can rake in your desired profits when it goes up from here. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment as well. And that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the chart throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the wheels have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.